All right, so this is our console for Infino. Infino is a new version of OpenSearch that is really focused on making things simple to use for a variety of data engineers. And I'm going to give you a quick demo of one of the aspects of Infino, which is Fino. And Fino is our natural language agent, and you can use Fino to be able to query across a set of different data sources. In this demo, we have uh, uh, an index that has data from your logs, your metrics, your Slack messages, orders, production data, sellers data, support cases, and we'll see how with Fino you can actually ask natural queries. Here's we've got index that we've picked, and we can ask by asking a question. Show me orders over time. So Fino is understanding the query, rewriting the query in our internal query DSL language, generating the results, and in some cases, a visual representation. Here I see the results, a summary of the results, and you can see a dip in orders. So I can just select, why is there a dip here? And I can ask, I can learn more about an anomaly in the graph. Here, uh, the system is saying that there's a Sunday slump, that there's a weekend effect. You're a little bit skeptical, so you ask the question: was there a spike in support cases filed during this time? So is it a weekly issue, or is there some other bug in the system? So now we're able to go from orders data to support cases all in one pane, all in one space. And you can see there's a spike in support cases. You can just make sure, we can overlay the data to make sure that it's coinciding. And yes, you can see that the dip in orders and the spike in support cases are around the same time. You can keep going and you can ask a question. Now you can look at some of the internal Slack messages with permission. Show me conversations in the leadership channel during this time. So Fino understands that now you're switching from looking at support cases to Slack messages. And here you can see a set of kind of conversations related to the event. There's some outage, you're losing money. You can look at a particular seller and you can get more information, and you go on going for onward. So you get a sense of how in 1 or 2 minutes you've been able to go from orders data, seller data, support cases, Slack messages, seamlessly correlate an issue across different data sources in natural language with full high accuracy. I think that's one of the things that we're really working towards, is that making data, democratize the data to various different teams within an organization, and make sure that you get what you get is of accuracy. Hope this helps. Thank you.